Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change property address on booking.com. So make sure to go to the section where you have listed your properties, and you can just click on this option which is called inbox. Click on it and click on second option which is booking.com messages. And once you click on this option booking.com messages, so inside this section scroll down and on the right side you will see these options. Can't find what you need, just click on see contact options. So basically you just need to contact the booking.com to change your property address. There is no direct way to change it within the website or within the app, like this is not supported by them, so you can just contact them. Scroll down and at the end you will see an option called account passwords contact channels. So just click on this option and just choose the last option which is called others. Just click on this option and just click on see all contact options, and from this you can choose message, and inside this section you can just write down the details that I want to change my property. Like make sure to add the property number or details as well. Address from point A to point B. So you can just write down all the details and make sure to fill out the information in this section, and make sure to attach the attachments or like the proof of the address. Why are you changing it and why do you need to change it right now? So make sure to add all those details, and once all those details are added, just click on send message. And once you click on send message, so it will be sent to the booking.com support team, and they will be in touch with you like within 24 to 48 hours in the working days, and they will help you change your address after by verifying like why are you changing and some kind of similar questions. So after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.